uh, ever wonder what happens when a promise made in the face of death finally comes due? For Denji, the hero of that moment has arrived. Um, remember Power's final act? She forged a contract, a debt to be paid. Now it's time for Denji to face the consequences. Fans have been speculating for years, ever since part one concluded. Uh, the question wasn't if Denji would go to hell, but when chapter 225, Barf Motorcycle Hell delivers on that anticipation. Denji's combined power with Pochita is proving crucial in his battle against the War Devil. And each devil consumed weakens Yoru's world, but it isn't enough. The chapter starts slow, but builds to a shocking cliffhanger. The chaos is wonderfully bizarre. Denji even eats the Teeth Devil, purely for laughs. It's entertaining mayhem, though it briefly feels like the fight is stalling. And luckily, the author knows when to shake things up. Yoru's struggles take a funny turn. Unable to walk, she transforms a motorcycle into a chainsaw, mirroring Asa's technique from a previous battle. And it's a clever callback hinting that Asa's influence still lingers, however subtly. Despite erasing devil after devil, Yoru adapts as the message is clear. War finds a way. Denji realizes that true change requires eliminating powerful devils at their source. That source, hell itself fucking. Chapter 225 might begin at a crawl, but it ends with a sprint straight into the unknown. Denji plunges into hell, dragging Yoru along, partly out of concern for his recklessness. This is the moment fans have been waiting for. The possibilities are endless. Perhaps even forcing Denji and Yoru to team up for survival. Yoru's chainsaw motorcycle might be a subtle hint of what's to come. Even their combined strength may not be enough. The final panel reveals a pitch black emptiness, subtly suggesting the return of the Darkness Devil, a truly ominous sign. And Genji's journey will uncover secrets about the universe and its lore. More excitingly, it will impact the fates of characters like Control and the new Blood Devil. 2026 is shaping up to be a massive year for complete a vision of the anime's adaptation of the International Assassins arc is on the horizon, and now the manga is diving into its long-awaited Hell arc. It's a great time to be a fan. You know what they say about going to hell and back. It's a real pain in the Pochita. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.